Hi guys, today I came to tell you about a method that I discovered on the internet with this ebook. It works like this: the author worked with digital marketing just like us, but even with paid traffic he could only earn pennies on the platform. So he found a way to boost his sales on Google Ads more and more like a bug. In this book he explains step by step how to go from low commissions to reasonable commissions, that you can take a vacation with your family, without worrying. I worked all day 8 hours a day and arrived tired from work. I still had to do my homework, teach my daughter to do her homework. I already worked with Google AdSenses, but I couldn't quit my registered job to live on that. The commission was little. When I read that book, I learned a lot about this tool and this bug, so I stopped spending a lot of money investing and having little return. Now I take vacations with my family whenever I want, knowing that I'm making a lot of money on Google Ads. I left here for you the link where I purchased my ebook so that you can also purchase yours. It is a very enlightening book and has step-by-step instructions on everything that can help you to boost your ad sales. But I have something to tell you. If you already earn a lot of money with Google Ads, then this is certainly not a good book for you. This book is suitable for anyone who earns $8 a day with ads. With this book I started to earn $200 a week. That's why I tell you that you can't get rich, but you can keep it. Now it's up to you. Let's build with ads with me. Any questions, just comment and I'll answer.